What's up, guys? Welcome back to the video. The Jeep is still stuck, but we have a couple other things we're gonna do before we go and try and get the Zach's Jeep out again. I'm gonna take you guys to Copart with me. I'm just going by myself right now. So Zach has been through 2 project cars now, and as most of y'all know, I haven't really had anything in a while. That's about to change real quick. Almost 100% set on getting a car from Copart. I've never bought a car from Copart. I want to get a car from Copart for a couple of reasons. Number one, it seems to be really popular on the channel as far as like just buying junkyard cars. I mean, it's not technically a junkyard, but it's like an auction for salvage style cars. So we posted a video like just going to Copart and it got like 6-figure views. So that tells me we need to make more Copart videos. And it's just fun going there and shopping around. It's kind of like a challenge, you know, how good of a car can you get for the lowest price possible? Yes, you can get really great deals. And let me just go really fast here. You can get really great deals at Copart. I don't know if it's my specific local Copart, but they just don't like me recording. They don't like cameras. I guess they just don't like cameras in general. I get it. They don't want someone coming in there, some teenagers coming in there, us, and giving them bad PR or something. I get it, but I still think it's kind of dumb. So I should also mention, I'm in a new daily. I got this car a couple weeks ago. The 2012 Corolla. It hasn't really been in the videos too much because it's a 2012 Corolla. It's pretty boring. It's perfect daily status. It's a 5-speed. Disregard all the snacks down there. It's a 5-speed. It's got 80,000 miles on it. There's a couple cars I'm looking at buying. One of them is a 2003, I believe, C5 Vet Z06. And holy crap, do I want it really, really bad. Like, I'm hoping to go see it today. It's at like $1,000 right now. And I don't want to give away too much information because it looks like a really good deal. And like, you know, a good amount of people watch these videos. So they could really add some more competition. I'm not too worried about it. I think it'd be really dope to have a Corvette on the channel. All right, so we made it to Copart. They don't like cameras, so I brought the GoPro, the Session, because this thing is freaking tiny and I can just, you know, vlog with this really easily. So I'm just gonna take this inside and continue the vlog on this instead of take the Canon, just because it makes more sense. Yeah, hopefully I can get some decent footage, guys, but if I don't, bear with me. I'll try my best, but let's go ahead and go in and see what we can find. Okay, I think it's recording. All right, guys, so we made it. I'm gonna try to like do this low key because we've got in trouble for filming so many times. We keep on doing it. The Stinger, though. Okay, so I literally have like, I came here late. I literally have like 10 minutes to find whatever car I'm gonna find. Jesus Christ. So, guys, this is like a perfect example. This is a perfect example of like the stuff you can find on Copart. This is a 2007 Volkswagen GTI with 93,000 miles on it. And it seems to only be in here because it has minor dents and scratches. And honestly, like, I can't really find anything wrong with it. It's just a little bit dirty. I mean, it says the estimated retail value is $6,700, which seems a little bit low because this thing is really clean. Like, I would daily the hell out of this thing. And it's currently at $550. Alright guys, I apologize if the wind sucks, but this is what we're looking at. 2007 Volkswagen GTI 2.0 turbo. Besides the dirt, I literally cannot find anything wrong with this car. Now, it is salvage title, and I've done a lot of research on it, ran the VIN online, and I couldn't really find anything that would point towards a salvage title. The only thing that's history of why it may be a salvage title is it was just, you know, sent here for some reason. I don't know if a dealership sent it here. I don't know. I was reading online, there are special situations where cars can become salvage title when there was really no good reason for it to become a salvage title. But again, it's one of those unknown things. So first thing I want to show you guys is all the body panels line up. The gaps are all the same. You know, I'm not seeing anything that sticks out to me. Again, if we look at the listing, pull it up real quick. At the listing, it just shows that it has minor dent and scratches. And it has 93,000 miles. Again, I can't find any scratches on this thing. So, tire tread is good. Tires look good. There's really no curb rash on the wheels. Rotor's a little bit rusty, but that's normal for it sitting. Pads look to be, yeah, pads have plenty of life left. Again, the body panels in the front match up. If we follow the gap in the hood, it's the same on this side as it is on the other side. I really need to learn their little language here because that'd be helpful. But I mean, overall, I mean, like, I might see a few scratches. No, I think that's just a headlight. I don't know. Honestly, guys, like, I can't find anything wrong with this car. There's some holes drilled in the front from what I assume they put a license plate in. And if we look underneath, Nothing looks out of place. Again, it's a little bit dirty, but I mean, now it looks like we might have some oil right there, possibly. Yeah. If I run my hand underneath there. The first actual thing I found wrong with this car. We do have some oil leaking right there. That's not good. There's a little tiny puddle, but nothing major. So we need to keep that in mind. But so far, that's the only thing wrong. Now, I saw this is a little hole. I'm pretty sure this is plastic. Yeah, this is a plastic cover. So at first, I thought it might be like the subframe or something, but it's just plastic and it's got a little hole in it. But definitely not anything big. Like, I'm getting really nitpicky here, guys. I mean, that's really not that bad. Again, on this side, all the body panels line up. If we go in the trunk or the hatch, whatever you want to call it, that's so cool, by the way. This is awesome. I mean, even guys, even the hatch is clean. Like, look at the carpet. We're gonna go and check and see if it's a spare tire. The carpet's clean. This car looks to be well taken care of. Yep, it's got a spare tire. Looks like a brand new spare too. Probably just never used. Again, interior is very clean, just a little bit dirty because it's been sitting out here and for who knows how long. I think it's been like a week now. But battery still works. That's good. I don't have the keys yet. I'm still waiting for the guy to give me the keys so we can like drive it 5 feet forward and make sure it runs. But more importantly, just need to make sure it sounds healthy and all that stuff. This seems to be like a very well kept car. From the interior, like I can't find anything wrong with it at all. So we're gonna go and look under the hood. All right, so looking at the engine bay, it's a lot of plastic. I don't like that, but it is how it is. It looks to be pretty clean. I know on the bottom we saw a little bit of oil. Looking through the top, I'm not really seeing anything too significant. Go ahead and check the oil real quick. Looks like we're a little bit low on oil, but definitely has some in there. Probably needs to be changed. Coolant's good. It's clean as it should be. Let's go and check the battery real quick. Battery as well looks fine. It's not too it's actually not corroded at all, and it's got these preventative pads. Down here we're looking. It looks like we might have an exposed. Now what's that? Look how my glasses on. All right, I think I may have found our second problem here. We got some kind of wiring harness, and hopefully the camera's focusing. The GoPro doesn't have a playback. It looks like we have some exposed wires, which is not good, and we have some cut wires too. I don't know what that is for, but as you guys can see right here, we got several cut wires. That is not good. I don't know where that's going to, but there's a good chance this car may not even start, guys. So I definitely need to get the keys for it. That right there, that I'm not liking that. That's not good. Looks like this might be a ground wire or something. Possibly someone tried to steal it. I don't know. This will definitely need some attention though if I do end up getting it. Barely. Check engine light. One thing that really I didn't like was it had an airbag light on, which could indicate it was in a wreck, possibly. And it also had a check engine light on. Obviously, we're not too scared of those. But it sounded pretty good. It sounded like some lifter tick, but nothing too serious. Hopefully it's just lifter tick. So this is what I don't understand. Well, I wouldn't say I don't understand, but I just find it intriguing. We have a bidding war between someone in Texas and someone in Honduras. Whoever that is in Honduras, I'm assuming they're gonna have to pay a ton of money to get this thing shipped over there. Guys, I seriously think... What? It already sold? Fuck. I missed it. God. Oh my god, I'm so pissed right now. This sucks. Fuck. It sold so fast too. Oh my god, I'm so mad right now. Okay. So, what did I learn? Next time I do this on the computer, guys, like the previous auction was taking so long. So I went to go check like my Facebook or whatever, and I came back and the app froze or something. There was an error with the connection. So I restarted the app, and by the time I got back into the auction, the GTI had already sold. So pissed. Oh my god. I think it sold for like $16.50. I would have totally bought it. I'm so mad at myself right now. Well, the good news is I still have the money I was gonna spend on it. So that's the good news. So as you guys saw, lost the auction. So mad, but I'm gonna get one this month. It's gonna happen. Stay tuned.
This you crazy mother. mother.